A leaking toilet is one of the most common causes of high water usage, but it can be hard to see. It could waste as much as 2.5 bathtubs full of water, impacting the local environment and adding around £200 a year to your bill too. You might be able to see or hear water constantly running in the toilet. But if not, a great way to check for leaky loos is to do a toilet paper test. Go to your bowl that has not been flushed or used for a couple of hours. Take a few sheets of toilet paper and place them at the point where your water first comes out. For most toilets, this will be directly at the back of the bowl at the top. If the tissue becomes wet straight away or when in place for a few seconds, you could have a leak. In some cases, we offer a free service to see if your toilet is leaking and fix it. We may even be able to order you a free replacement part. Call 0800 953 0130 or email leakyloo@nwl.co.uk to find out more.